el lunes. Vamos a bailarlo, vamos a danzarlo. It's Ricky Baker on the beat,
Es difícil disimular lo que pasa por mi mente cuando te tengo de frente, yeah. Esas ganas de tocar ese cuerpo lentamente, divertirnos malamente con tu piel. Baila hasta que la noche se acabe, bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe, que bailas con esa pasión. Si lo haces como eso, lo mueves, yo me imagino.
Yes, babes, it's Easter Monday. Doing a little bit of shopping at the supermarket. So I'm going to show you the supermarket settings in a Cayman and price of things. Just a few of the price of things and things. So go and stay tuned. And don't know, like, share, subscribe and comment. On fire, all the fire. Stay tuned and go and watch your go on. Eh? Take your go on. Thing good?
Yeah, I mean, I'm working a bit on it, you know.
A video? No, never look at YouTube channel, man. All the fire 777. All the fire 777 on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so. And the remaining, pick up a few little items for pastry. You see pricing, no? Chocolate cake. $1.90. 99 cents for the $2 CI. Roughly that's about nearly $3.50 US. The things in there. You see good old Jamaican St. Mary banana. Yeah, me mostly buy Jamaican products. But yeah, so let's do a few little items. Pick up a few little items. Okay, then it's a short week already. Stay tuned. Over here so I have Jamaican saltfish. Yeah, it's a Jamaican style saltfish. Saltfish, look at it, Jamaican style saltfish. Even though we don't really make saltfish at Jamaica, but this is saying Jamaican style saltfish. I see a good old best dressed chicken now. So I'm gonna take up. Yeah, mixed sparks. Yep. That is it. I'll take up a big pack. How much for that? Oh, 14 or 15 of that? Two something like that? Okay. So it's about 14 now. Yep. That is it, please. You say supermarket big and thing? Yeah. So as I said, that's a lot in the supermarket and Germany I pick up a few items. Yeah. Cranberry juice. $6.99. $6.99. So $6.99. That's almost. What I got? Nearly $10 US. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So if you know the equivalent of US and CI, CI more than US. And the good old chiffon we use for Jamaica. Yep, that is it. So, I'm going to take out my chiffon, I'm going to take out country crack. Yeah. The aisle? The aisle, I normally buy that. Oh. Yeah, you can take out that one there. The way around the stuff. Inside the other side.
Big pack of rice, so we're about 400
pack of rice, let me see. Yes, Steve, so this is the wholesale section of the supermarket. Yeah. So you buy things around a large quantity. And on the other side, rice and on the other side. Yeah. This is rice. Some rice me take a again. This royal umbrella. For sure. No man, I know that man.
Yeah man, I hit up on the fridge that man.
25. That me not bring the Jamaica, no bother.
I hit up on the fridge shop.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's why I'm big. Royal umbrella Jasmine. Yeah, I'm a circle of people. I remember. This big still. So for sure 1 year. Yeah, small size.
Small size.
Yeah?
I'll buy a smaller size then.
Yes. So we'll buy it up here. I need to buy that big one. Yeah. Yeah, that's whole heap of rice. Too much rice. Yes, peeps. Too much rice not good for you. Too much starch. No good. I get that my age of watch the starch intake. Yeah. I have to watch your intake and starch when I get up in age. What's the run of the island too? Now look. Let me see island again. Oh yeah, see island. Let me search on this. Yeah, canola oil, the other one. The other one. Now I buy coconut oil, but long time I don't buy coconut oil. In the really sell coconut oil now, so you have to go airport fast to get that one there. Yep. So this is it people. Stay tuned. I'm going to want you to do a little bit of shopping. Water. Drinking water. Things. Yeah. What is that look? The water? The fast water. Take that one there. The water you're holding all 24. Water all much? 24, see me? I look for. Oh. Gillette. Yeah. How much is that?
$27.
$27?
Only 24 feet.
No, sometimes if you buy a cost you less, I get it more reasonable. How much is it?
Well,
5 pack. Wow.
5.
So this how much?
27.
27. So the $27 people, that's almost about nearly $33 roughly. Or $35 so. US. Oh. Sure, sitting in the US and I pay so much for that. Yes, people. So people in the US comment and tell me much the price at in the US. So smaller water. Yeah, so you don't know in a Cayman, I have to buy water to drink. Because some people drink the tap water, but I don't really drink the tap water. So I drink bottled water. And sardine? No sardine? Sardine. Alright. This is a good old Brunswick sardine. And this is so much now. This much of sardine again. Sardine like big. That's not the price of sardine. Like seriously? I think roughly was like about one beef. Can't believe I see price. Apparently price stock drop off. Oh my god. Yeah, I look at price, I'm gonna see price. I don't know how much it is. Let's see what this area for the soap and shampoo and body wash. Stuff like that, bleach, soap. Yeah. So Island Clean. Yep, Island Clean. Reliable, do a good service here. Reliable, janitorial service in here.
I really see a dance shoulder shampoo.
Oh, shampoo on the other side. You know, body wash and shampoo over the other side. Body wash and soap. No, not so. Eh? Yes, please. Yeah, shampoo run also. You see how shampoo you want. Yes, peeps, I look at Lasco. Good old Lasco. Big one, little one. How much one Lasco? The Jamaican Lasco, $7.49. Things are cheap at Cayman, more expensive. food is expensive in Cayman because everything is imported. That's why you have when things is imported in the island, more expensive. But food have to eat, so you have to buy it. What to do? Yeah. That's the one. Yeah?
Alright.
Okay.
Is this good or no?
Okay. Good. So if you look at items in there, here much the price come to. So if you look at items there, here much the price come to. 100 no, nothing this much. Yeah. So peeps, they mean so 100 odd, but not 100 odd because just few look at items. But roughly, may I say $75. Let's see, it's a $75. Much it gonna be. Okay, peeps. I said $75 and it's already more than $75 because it's remaining red. It was like $93, that's on the price. $109. Whoa. Oh, she don't catch the water yet. It's like her smile, I'm not sure very beautiful smile. Very pleasant to be a cashier. Yes, so see peeps?
140.
$115. Just $115. Wow. You look at items. So expensive it is in Cayman. Yeah. So yes people, you see? If you look at item, look on the little bag then. One water, 2 bag, 1 little rice, 1 little jug of cranberry juice, and that's like $115. $115 how much again? US.
I want 20 I exchange you.
Yeah, so that's roughly nearly 145 roughly. Nearly 145 US. Can you imagine? Like seriously? And that's like even Jamaica that could have buy more. Because $100 CI over $17,000. So I know you could have buy more. But that is it, people. Food have to eat. Yeah, so I thought this was like a short vlog to show you. Things are expensive in Cayman, but as I say, food have to eat. Yeah, that is it. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. On fire, all the fire.
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Fanática la luce porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Ella me dice que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si tú perreas más me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta. Como tú te mueves así bien, bien mami, y con gusto toda la